Assalamu alaikum, my dear sisters. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share a small part of my life as a Pakistani housewife. Every morning brings new responsibilities, but it also brings new hope, new blessings, and another opportunity to begin the day with gratitude. My day usually begins before everyone wakes up. I thank Allah for another beautiful morning. Prepare myself for the day and start organizing the house. Soon after, I prepare breakfast and lunch for my husband and children, pack what they need, and make sure everyone leaves home with a beautiful smile and a heartfelt dua. Being a housewife is not just about cooking and cleaning. My dear sister, it is about creating a peaceful home filled with love, patience, and kindness. My dear sister, now I would like to share a beautiful reminder that has inspired me. Many scholars encourage us to remain consistent in the remembrance of Allah. When a believer sincerely remembers Allah, worries become lighter. The heart finds comfort, and Allah opens doors in ways we cannot imagine. The Quran reminds us that the remembrance of Allah brings tranquility to the heart, and many authentic hadiths encourage Muslims to keep their tongues busy with this amazing zikr. Dear sister, especially all the wonderful housewives who spend their days caring for their families, make the third Kalimah a part of your daily routine, recited with sincerity while cooking, cleaning, or during your free moments. Ask Allah for Barakah in your rizq, protection for your home, and blessings in your time by Allah permission. This habit can increase your inner peace, bring Barakah into your life, strengthen your trust in Allah, and fill your home with happiness and contentment. Remember, every blessing comes only from Allah, and our duty is to remember Him with the sincere heart. So stay with me until the end of this vlog as I share my morning routine, a beneficial Islamic reminder, and the beautiful tasbeeh that I personally love to include in my daily routine. May Allah fill all of our homes with barakah, happiness, beneficial rizq, and endless mercy. Ameen. I want to also share three most important thoughts that I follow in my life. Here are three beautiful thoughts inspired by Wasif Ali Wasif. A pure heart is greater than great wealth. True success is not measured by money or status. A heart filled with sincerity, gratitude, kindness, and remembrance of Allah is the greatest treasure a person can have. Every difficulty is a lesson from Allah. Do not lose hope when you face hardships. Every trial carries wisdom. So strengthen your faith and brings you closer to Allah if you remain patient and continue to trust Him. Trust Allah before you trust your fears, my dear sister. When life becomes difficult, Wasif Ali Wasif says, remember that Allah's plan is always wiser than our own. Worry cannot change destiny, but trust in Allah fills the hearts with peace and hope.